In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to refine your skills, adding text is a fundamental yet crucial part of building your website. So, let's dive right in and make your site not just informative, but also visually appealing through effective text integration. First, you need to log in to your Wix account. If you haven't already, head over to the Wix homepage and use your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your personal dashboard, which is central to managing all your site-building activities. Your dashboard is like the control center, where you can see a list of your current projects, explore new templates, or start a brand new site. From the dashboard, go ahead and open the site you want to edit. This will launch the Wix editor, where the magic happens. You'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand side. Focus on the big plus sign that says Add. Clicking this opens up the Add panel, a treasure trove brimming with elements that you can incorporate into your site. Now find and click on the Text option in the Add panel. This is where things start getting exciting. Wix offers you a collection of pre-designed text options, including themed text, titles, and paragraphs. This variety ensures that no matter what type of text you need, be it a headline, a subheading, or body text, you'll find something that fits seamlessly into your site's aesthetic. Upon selecting the text style that best suits your vision, click on it. This will add the text element right onto your website page. It might appear in a default spot, but don't worry, you can easily move it. Drag the text box to your desired location. Positioning is crucial, so take a moment to consider how the text aligns with your other page elements to maintain a harmonious design. Once you have your text in place, it's time to personalize it. Wix gives you the flexibility to customize various text properties. You can alter the font to match your brand's style, adjust the size for better readability, and tweak the color to stand out or blend in, depending on your needs. Text alignment is another tweak that can greatly affect the look and feel of your page, so experiment until everything looks just right.